How to turn on or off location services for Bolt. Want more control over your location access? Here's how to manage Bolt's location settings. Go to your phone settings and find Bolt in the app list. Tap permissions or location access. Then choose between allow only while using, always allow, or don't allow. Turning it off means you will have to manually enter your pickup address every time you book a ride. If Bolt can't detect your location, double check that location access is turned on and that your GPS is active. Keep it set to allow while using the app for the best mix of accuracy and privacy. Do you prefer entering your pickup manually or using GPS? Tell us about it in the comments below. And that's how you can turn on or off location services for Bolt. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.